I got some vulgar jokes. I'll say your mother, okay?
Okay.
So, have you ever had a mother?
I did it too. Ready?
Let's try it again. Ready? So click it when I say mother, okay? Have you? Okay. So,
Just say
have you ever had a mother? You know? Okay, I'll say it a little faster. So, have you ever had a mother? A little slower. Have you ever had a mother? Is that better? Did it work? Let's try this again. What's another word? Do you understand what I said?
stupid.
No, I think it's fun.